Saga. Wait, 2 phones, so. Oh, this saga. He get a city day. EJ, happy new month, oh, she be your, what's his name na? Emmanuel. Me, I call the one I feel pronounce. Emmanuel, you are welcome. When that they tell una say, this social media, nobody better pass each other, una no they believe. All of us not the same. Don't be deceived, men. May you say you see presenter where you like. You not go. I'm fine, my love. You don't go carry because of saga. No. No be person there inside house. Go bring this out to him, mama. Ash, my love, you are welcome. No be person there inside house where you know they do saga like us. When the mama do video now, they apologize. Blessing the video, you are welcome. Yvonne, you are welcome. Not be mama, not be person. We, when it dey media, we dey respect ourselves. May we not bring shame and disgrace to our mama. People, when they talk down on us, they talk to us. Happy new month, my love. You are welcome. They talk to us anyhow. Their mama, now do video now. They apologize because of Unuda. No, you are welcome. I'm fine. And you? Waiting, mama days house. Omona yate right. Then tomorrow, now people like this, they talk to presenter. Una see am, say presenter when he dey streets better pass many women when he dey house. Just that say we dey do our own gree. We dey say am, mind your speech. Mind your speech. More than not going to give unnecessary apology for waiting they not call una put shame and disgrace when the world go know una. Because anything when you talk apologize, people not go see you finish. Meaning you know you dey lie. You not make points. So more than they learn, no. Happy weekend, my lovers. More than they learn. We when it is street, mama said nipu. Yes. Mama said we better pass many. We better pass many. Okay? This saga today, my people, yoto. EJ, I been one read. I just did Yeki side. I did Ebony side. I was looking which one hot pass. Only Yeki, no? Here about the two Ebony because of a man. She called the talk her own small. You know, say Ebony no dey into saga. They are too hot. The two hot, una miss. Now 2 phone I use I not left out for this saga. Every year mama all the video when you they analyze all this why. I not get chance to wash them. I not wash. Now today when I just there, you know say for tomorrow night they go work. I know because they see men, you know where? Come here, Fima. Ijo. Hey, where's Sharon dey life? When Sharon dey life, he with Ebony not they play. But Saga not there now. But to be honest, if I be Ebony when I know say I fuck up, when it be say me a person not play for 6 years. Even though you a person not play for 6 years, please give me love and like. You celebrate time. You pay you. Person and person not they play, my people. One thing you people. I only yaki no ka only hot igbe monkey ya. No, the first video way yaki do hot well. Where the carry Ebony come out. One thing you people need to know. Person and person not they play. No me say the person wish her to bow. No, my lovers. Let us say it the way it is. Please guys, share this video with love and give me love and like. Person and person no dey play. They no dey play. No me say Ebony and Sharon no dey play, my lovers. No me say she wish Sharon, but she was hoping say one day they go settle. Person and person they quarrel for 10 years. Okay, let us say it the way it is. Omae, I tell make be for that one. I not dey against them. It can happen to anybody. Just as say we now, no man soon da. May we learn from Ebony. Learn from it because he get as he be. Me and I will not be friends. Okay? And for Ebony's side, oh, as you know, said you and I know they play, you cry. Which is 3 days ago. You do video, you call they cry. Make people for not come for you. As you mourn them, I know say they pay you for inside mind, but you for lock up. You know, write that post, say, name me how you take right time. You know, write that because anyhow they want to monasas and not be friends. It not concern you. Yes. It not concern you. Because all when you know who get going. You for not just talk, put you for the cry silent inside as they cry. Say, oh, I wish I know. I for let go that time. I don't know say that the opportunity for us to see for the last time. You they blame yourself. Indoors. Anyhow, even though other people they quarrel, say people no let her rest. You know talk. You lock up. Even though it in your mind. You lock up. Okay? You lock up. You lock up. I remember that year when Izzy and Sharon and his gang saga Ebony. As far as said the saga, they not apologized. They not settle. It's normal. It's normal. Ebony no go meet, they go beg them. Ebony no go meet, they go beg them. They not go meet Ebony beg. How they want to settle the matter? They not go settle the matter. Please, guys, give me love and like. None of their two. More than they blame their two. When they blame Ebony. If to say na Ebony enemy uko. Tell to get Ebony oguvo. Any matter to him ya. Why you tag o bump my lovers? Why target here? Okay, maybe they talk on this side, talk on this side. Not because they're not the other one. Tell Ebony man, no, but man, beg for apology. Then they let your song guitar me anyway. Rude, my best friend. You know, therefore do something. All of them go settle matter. None of them not guilty. No, you know, none of them be innocent. None of them be innocent. Why Gary Benaru by? Okay, if Ebony not forgive, why the rest not still ask for forgiveness? What of if na Ebony enemy ba? Agmona, I no kawu. So it's our duty for us to learn. Okay, thank you, as my love. Let us learn. May we not they blame what it don't happen. They not they blame me up. Una with person, me and my family for more than that 6 years. So one of my brother there where we never play for more than 65 years. Okay? Oh, my mama and papa. You know, mama and papa they quarrel. Mama and papa. Mama and pikin, brothers and sisters. Outside, everybody now outside now. Family and family not they quarrel for 6 years, 7 years. And they enter war. But family now, may we learn. Please, guys, let us learn. Good evening, my love. Please give me love and like. Let us learn. Why get it up in Okpa? Ebony my brother, man, ya yon gbe wa ma weto ewo ogun ni se get to him here. Tete Ebony to him here. Ona guba ku e. Awe Ebony yon ewo ogun na mo awe gbe. May they not suspect him. Oh, ya do him here. You dey feel am? So none of the beg each other. None of the act my shot. Where therefore supposed settle this thing at Even lady of some marriage. That marriage. Now only there. They suppose fit settle this matter. But it has happened. Izzy and Ebony, happy new month, my love. Wala wo. Ibi Edoni mo se wala o wa ya we ko. Nu wa jono na ya wan we I make na magmonari. Yes. I make na moerie my people. Wa gya wa mo nya ro pa we na me wete. Have a plan they plan aro happy. They not the plan aro happy. They not the plan. Please, my words, my Nigeria people, let us learn from this. Let us learn from what we see on media. If you dare this media, you know they learn. You are born to mumu forever. Okay? Why you blame my wrong? No go no ma go I make an way here. She was very young. I predict her. You know? I predict I no I plan. One day they first said to say she did life. So no wala go no get no more na let you rest. Make una let you rest. You get why? More na no come turn in matter. Where una don't forget where she did to saga on media. God bless you all for your understanding. Happy weekend, guys. I use the she. More na beg, guys, please. This thing is getting out of hand. I'm not happy over it. I'm not happy over it. I'm not happy over it. Wala wo. Wala wo. Wala ho. Wala ho. More na no carry this girl matter to turn to personal saga. Oyinya meje. Okay, guys. So, guys, I use a sheet. Today na Sunday. I cook fried rice today. I do a lot today. Oh! Only Simon ya waton ya repeti ya total repeti nothing. One love, guys. If I sleep, now no fit sleep for nights. So, guys, one love. Let us embrace peace. People will not tell me if a man to win and bomb our. If you not say Uwe Sharon, he touch you. Wala wo. Sisi, Eri give la aria o, not be lao. Ije, this Uwe Sharon. This, if you not say this Sharon, Aro happy, he pay you. Please, let us, nobody you go buy because of anything when you carry the person property. Jonona ya o no fini me wurie. They no go no see ko wena. They know who as the person when they close to you buy so. Person when you they plan to buy. Now so you they close to person. So for that reason, why in eketan, why in ya muria eke na ya muria. You get why? So, my lovers, God bless you all for your support and your love. See you guys on my next video. I want to relax, rest, easy. I think they worry me. I quick wake up. I wake up around to 4 yesterday, this morning. I not feel sleep again. You see, so thank you, Perpetual. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Chidinebere. Thank you, guys. If you come across, give me love and like me with the good. From today, from now on, I'm a new creature. You can imagine a yak bomb one is sanky to a Roman ball. I don't get what I won't get to my person. Me person, so ready contain my hands. No. So now I learn from what is going on. So that maybe not say when I really mean them. Why do I fear of the media? Happy new month, my love. You are welcome. And happy Sunday. More than not call the cry oh. Maybe they talk and the way it be. Okay? Now, when this one don't happen, please, all the movie industry, make una embrace peace. But beg a video on a lady or song you know that she really make points. I learned a lot from her video yesterday. Okay, let love lead. Let love lead. Let love lead. One love. Una bye bye for now. Ciao.